Begin by navigating to Deployments. Select a deployment to explore its detailed usage analytics. Switch to the Usage tab to monitor user license activity and trends. Dive deeper by clicking on a monthly data point in the bar chart for drilled-down usage insights. Expand the details to see a granular breakdown of unique user usage for the selected month. Open the Date selector to view license usage for a specific month. Choose a different month to instantly compare user activity across periods. Open the Select Action dropdown for quick actions related to this deployment. And use the Action menu to download the license file or delete the deployment.